Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming or unboxing the May Allure Beauty Box. Okay, so I started getting this one at the first of the year. So far, it has been one of my favorite boxes to get. They always put incredible stuff in here from brands I love, things I want to try, and so on. And you get a lot of full-size items in here. But we are going to pop right into this. And so this is a $15.99 a month, or around $15 a month. Okay. So at the first year, they did start putting, like, everything used to come in a cute little red box. I never did get it then. But now we get a bag. Now the bags aren't we're talking about. I did see some stuff out of the bag. Usually everything's in the bag. But now normally I see this bag is different. Normally it's the naps and they're always like broke. But now this bag looks like it's pretty good condition, but that's just different this month. And it is like a bright orange bag. It is like springs, almost summer. So great color. So, but we're going to start in what's in the side the box and go ahead and get it out of the way so I don't forget about it. Okay, so the first thing in the box is the Allure Cosmetics. You know, I got this and something else this month. I got a lip gloss in the color Vibe. Not that I need no more lips, but I do like them. Okay, ooh, I like that color. Nice nude color. Let me see. I like the Dofa. So it's just a very sheer color. This would be great for a day you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, or this would be a great color to put over top something else. So I like it, and it's got a really good smell to it. Nothing like overpowering, but it does smell good. It kind of smells like a little bit like the L'Oreal chocolate stuff. Almost, not really. Okay. So then we have a tan applicator mitt by Saint Topaz Prep and Maintain. Okay. So I'm guessing we must have got something to do with self-tanner. But this is just a little mitt to help you put your tanner on. We're just going to lay that to the side. Okay, now we will go in the bag because the only thing left is the little book that tells us prices and what we got and stuff. Okay, so this is by Lange. It Water Bank Moisture Cream. It is 8 milliliters, which is 0.2 flow ounces. So it is a little tube of cream just to add moisture. I really like them better when they come with a little top right there. So the cream is just white. Don't really have no smell to it, which is good, especially if I'm putting anything on my face. I really don't like a smell. And if it does have a smell, I want it to be very light, then go away. Okay, so our next thing is by John Suo Erase. It's a cleanser, exfoliating, and brightening powder. And we've got a pretty good size. So it's just like, just a powder. Very gritty. Really no smell to it either. Okay. So our next thing is, we got 2 of these. NS Anti-Frizz Sheets, just portable hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protection. And it shows you right there, just, oh, I so need this. because my hair, where it's like natural curly, all it does is frizz. I already straightened it today, well actually twice today, and look at it, nothing. Okay, Eyelights by Model Company, metallic eyeshadow, St. Bart's. Is that the color? And it's got 1.9 grams, which is 0.06 flow ounces. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's like a pink metallic. So that is like really, really pretty. That'd be pretty in the corner of your eyes right there. I like it. Okay, last thing is self-tanner, I'm guessing. Topaz Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. I'm not going to touch this yet. Now, normally I don't self-tan, but hey, I got a lot of tanning stuff. Like from Allure this year. Like, last month they sent the wipes. I've not touched them, but who knows? Maybe I'll tan. But that was it. What did you guys think? $15, was it worth it? Now, this was my least favorite box I ever got from them. But I do feel like the lip gloss, the metallic eyes, even the cream was pretty good. But I don't know. We get so much makeup and stuff that I was like reading a comment on BoxyCharm the other day, and someone's like bitching about getting skincare and the Boxy Lux that's coming up. And now, to me, I mean, I have a lot of makeup. I'm probably never going to use all my makeup. Probably not even half of it. And so, you know, I like getting skincare. Not all the time, but I do like to get it. I get to try something new, something better. So I really don't like bitch when I get skincare. I kind of like it because, and the most time I get enough new makeup, probably lasts me all year. But it is what it is. Some people prefer straight makeup in their boxes. Some people like a mixture of things. To me, I like getting new items, new brands, things that I normally wouldn't buy and trying. But I guess it's all up to the individual. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Because I found some like really great makeup that I just love in my boxes that I'm glad I got to try in skincare. I found some incredible skincare in my boxes that, hey, they've turned to like my ride and die stuff. So, I don't know. I'm happy, I guess, with anything. You know, just trying a mixture of beauty items. Because they are beauty subscriptions. They're not actually makeup subscriptions. They're, you know, like, so, and beauty could be skincare, hair care. No, I'm not crazy about getting hair care. That's why I don't get Birch boxing anymore. I am thinking about trying it one more time because they have a new box that's supposed to be like better. I don't know. I've been researching it. I don't know if I will or not because I done Birchbox for like 2 or 3 years and I just never was happy with them, and it takes me forever to cancel anything. So I don't know. I'm happy with most of the subscriptions I get now. There's one I am thinking about canceling because I get, like, a couple months ago I signed up on 2 different ones, and it seems like 1 month, like the last 3 months been like I get something, or 2 months, this is gonna be the 3rd month, like I get one back 1 month from the one company, then it's like the next month it's like I'm getting the same items again, and ridiculous. So I don't need them. It's like Yes Oh Yes and Face Sugar. I don't know what it is. Like whatever Yes Oh Yes sends 1 month, next month Face Sugar sending it. So I don't know. I'm thinking about canceling one of them. I just haven't decided which one yet. But I guess that is it for the month or Allure's Beauty Box unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can come back and watch unboxings, or we do makeup hauls, drugstore hauls, Dollar Tree hauls. We do all kinds of different things here, and everybody's welcome, and it's free to push that button. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.